Welcome back to Xplorer, where we bring you the latest in smartphone technology. Today, we are talking about the upcoming Redmi A3 Pro, an exciting new budget phone from Xiaomi that promises to deliver big screen entertainment and solid performance without breaking the bank. Let's jump right into it. One of the standout features of the Redmi A3 Pro is its 6.88-inch 90Hz display. This large screen, paired with a water-drop notch, offers an immersive experience whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing the web. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, adding to its premium feel despite being a budget device. Under the hood, the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset powers the Redmi A3 Pro, giving it a nice boost in performance compared to its predecessor, the Redmi A3. You can expect reliable multitasking, smooth gaming, and day-to-day app performance. Paired with 4GB to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, this phone offers solid specs for its price point. The Redmi A3 Pro sports a 50MP AI main camera, which is quite impressive for a phone in this price range. Whether you're snapping photos in broad daylight or low light, the camera promises sharp and detailed shots. On the front, you have a 5MP selfie camera, designed for decent quality video calls and quick selfies. One of the key selling points is the 5160 mAh battery, enough to keep you powered throughout the day. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just using apps, this battery will hold up. Plus, with 18W fast charging, you won't be tethered to the wall for long when it's time to recharge. The Redmi A3 Pro also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and easy unlocking. You'll find dual SIM support, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB-C connectivity, all wrapped into this budget-friendly package. The Redmi A3 Pro is expected to be priced at around $110, making it a fantastic option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a solid, all-around performer. With its large display, strong battery, and solid camera setup, the Redmi A3 Pro is shaping up to be a great budget option for 2024. What do you think about the Redmi A3 Pro? Let us know in the comments below.